I am Vivian Rani, working as an assistant professor. Today, I am here to describing about the operating system and benefits of operating system. Operating system is a communication bridge between user and the computer hardware. After learning this course, the students may get benefited university exam preparation and the placements and GATE and NET competitive exams.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about operating system introduction, types of operating systems, and functions of operating systems, and also services of operating system. So in this video, I'm detailed about these topics. So coming to the point, what is meant by operating system? Operating system, in the name has specified that operating some machine or some software or some any other hardware like that. So let me see what is the examples of operating system. So these are the examples of operating systems: Windows, Android, Apple, Ubuntu, Linux, etc., etc. So let me come to the definition of operating system. So an operating system acts as an intermediary between the user of the system, I mean computer, and the computer hardware. Let me see an example. Software means the user can be access. The software is a part and the hardware is another part. So based on the two parts, the intermediate, that which can collect the request or response information sending to the hardware to server, information reaching from the server to hardware. This all the communication has been made between the operating system as a acts as a mediator. So coming to the basic structure of the operating system, in this image we have seen the two parts as been explained later in the software and hardware. Software has number of users, 1 user, 2 user, up to user n. In the software, some of the software applications, software systems, and software UI interfaces, something UIX like that. So it has some of the parts in the software. And in the hardware, it has CPU, RAM, input output devices, management, memory like that. So the interconnection between this hardware and software is acts between the operating system. It acts like a mediator. So now coming to the operating system services. So what are the operating system services? Program development, program execution, input output operations, file system manipulation, communications, error detection, resource allocation, protection. This is all come to the operating system services. The which operating system has been provided the services for. It provides programs as an environment to execute. It provides user services to execute the program in a convenient way. So let me take an example. While we are compiling any program, we have to take an environment in the VS Code example like that. In this environment only the libraries, functions, variables all are stored in that environment, and the process and the execution, the input will be work in that environment only. So like that, the operating system will create some of the environment. In the environment, the programs has been developed, executed, and gives the output. So like that, these are the operating system services: program development, program execution, input output operations, file system manipulation, communication, error detection, resource allocation, and protection. Now coming to the operating system functions. So there are 5 types of operating system functions: memory management, processor management, device management, file management, and security management. Memory management you already know about, like that. It stores the memory, like the input and the output, the processing and the storage files are being stored in the memory management sector or any system. The process management means that the input and output has been processed the user gives the input to the system, it will process. Though it's communication between the user and the system, it comes under the process management system. And the device management system, the operating systems have different types of devices, like examples, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, Apple, Mac, like that. So the devices can be accessed to the operating system. Now file management system. So file management is like the storage data will be stored in some file manner which can be easily accessed or organized the data, like that. It comes under the file management system. And now the security management system. Security management means firewall, passwords. So it's as main important because security management system is acts as and between the user and the system will be more secure for the third party authenticator or any cookers will be done. So this is the security management. And later, types of operating system. So now coming to the point, types of operating system. The first operating type of operating system is batch operating system, and the second one is time sharing operating systems, and the third one distributed operating systems, and the fourth one is network operating system, fifth one real-time operating system. So these are the types of operating system that been involved in this introduction part. So we have seen, if any doubts regarding this introduction, I have clearly mentioned the description what is meant by introduction of this operating system, and I also have created some of the materials in the description, so please go through it. Thank you.